So looking at this current Bitcoin price action, we can see guys, the price of Bitcoin unfortunately played out this distribution schematic from Wyckoff's event and phases, and along with that, we have also played out another bearish continuation pattern known as right angle broadening top. And now in a bigger frame, the price is also below the 200 weekly moving average. So what to expect next? Will the price of Bitcoin continue here to the downside, forming lower highs, lower lows continuation pattern, or what to expect next? As you can see guys, I have prepared some very interesting scenario which is pointing us where the price of Bitcoin in the medium short term, where the price of Bitcoin for the coming days might be possibly hitting. So before I do that, I just want you guys to quickly destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you very much. Now, if we look at the price action of Bitcoin in a weekly time frame, we can see the price is below the 200 weekly moving average. This 200 weekly moving average is one of the most important line of support, because in the past price action we have found out only after finding proper support over this 200 weekly moving average, only after that we have started this actual relief rally or marker phase. So if we want the price of Bitcoin for the coming days to turn bullish instead of bearish, then we also need to overcome this resistance, the 200 weekly moving average resistance, into proper support, and that is going to be between 27,000 to 28,000 range. Yes guys, if the price of Bitcoin wants to show another continuation faking this entire move here to the downside, then we have to regain our strength over 28,000 to turn bullish. But remaining below 28,000 means the price for the coming days could be heading towards the next area of confluence, and that is again around 20,000 to 21,000 range. Yes guys, the price of Bitcoin, if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean in a weekly time frame, after breaking the neckline from this inverse head and shoulder, we did start some impulsiveness, but the impulsiveness fell after reaching around 32,000 range. We got attracted here to the downside. Price came back to test the previous neckline, the line which previously acted as a resistance, right? Acted as a support and started this new impulsiveness. Again, this impulsiveness ended when the price tested the high from the previous one, right? So what I'm trying to pinpoint here is that this ideal buy investor scenario from Stan Weinstein is also getting invalidated, because the price after breaking it to the upside has failed to continue this uptrend, and also below the 30-week exponential moving average. Yes, this 30-week exponential moving average is also sitting on 27,100 range. So the price of Bitcoin must come in between 27,000 and 28,000 to remain bullish, to expect some range bound and even some continuation here to the upside. But if we fail to break out of this key line of resistance, or fail to flip this key line of resistance into proper support, then the upcoming days for Bitcoin could be bearish. And if that happens, then in that case, we should look at this price action in a very simple way. I mean, if the price in the medium short term breaks the support, then the next area of confluence is definitely going to be this line, because we know this horizontal trend line was considered as a line of resistance, right? And this exact line could be attracting the price, and this line is sitting around 24,000 range. So that's what guys, 24,000, 25,000 is the area where we could be getting attracted if the price fails to close the weekly candle above 28,000 range. And not just only that, even if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean the price was clearly forming higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern. And if you look at this candle is still a higher low. So if we hold the 25,000 in the medium short term and also manage to find proper support above 28,000 range, then this could be looked as a fake out, just like this one here. Price clearly faked out, buyer stepped in, and at the end we were also able to form a new higher high. So if the price of Bitcoin wants to do pretty similar thing one more time, just like from the past price action, then we have to come across 28,000 range at any cost, because remaining above that range means the price for the coming days could be turning bullish instead of this bearishness, because we know remaining below that range means the coming days for Bitcoin could be bearish. And in that case, you can see the price opportunity from this rising wedge could be somewhere around 20,000 to 21,000 range. This is a very bearish scenario for Bitcoin. So I just want you guys to be very careful, because you know breaking the neckline or the support which we have around 25,000 means the price could be also breaking the neckline from this double top. Now, before I switch to other chart, I just want to quickly aware you guys about the bonuses which are available for our community members in the description down below. Bybit with 30,000 deposit bonus plus 1,000 USDT giveaway to our community members who sign up using this link within this month. Yes guys, you just have to follow a simple step to claim this 1,000 USDT giveaway. So if you want to grab this opportunity, the link to Phemex, the link to Bybit, OKX are all given in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. Now let me switch the chart. Now let me show you why 25,000 here in the medium short term is so important, because if you look at this price structure in a very simple way guys, I mean if you lose support which you have around 25,000, then parallelly the price of Bitcoin could be forming another bearish continuation pattern known as double top. Yes, this double top scenario will play out if the price fails to hold the support which we have around 25,000 range, and the price opportunity from this double top would be somewhere around 20,000 to 21,000 range. So that is another reason why we have to be extremely careful and we have to monitor price movement around 25,000 range carefully, because losing that means another price opportunity is going to get triggered, and that will bring the price of Bitcoin around 20,000 to 21,000 range before choosing a trend duration. So that is another reason why I want you guys to be a bit careful. And even if we look at this in a bit different way, I mean the support which you have around 25,000 is not just only the support from this double top neckline, but also the support from this leading indicator, the monthly S3 line. If you look at this monthly S3 line, this is the worst case target. So if the price in the medium short term manages to remain above this 25,000, then there might be another attempt to break out of this 27,000 and even the 28,000 range, and price faking this entire move just like from this past price action, right? The entire move will be looked as a fake out, and price after that could be heading towards to form another higher highs, because we are still forming higher highs, higher lows continuation pattern as long as we remain above 25,000 range. And now beside the price action, what I want you guys to do is to look at this Bitcoin historical monthly returns, because the month where we are right now is the August month and market is already down more than 10 to 11%. July was I think around -2, -3%. So this month of July, this month of August is negative. But if you look at the September month in general, the average return in month of September has also been negative. So this means maybe the coming month could be also bearish for Bitcoin. So we have to be careful, because in that case, the bearish target around 20,000 could be also on the line. So this is what I wanted to share with you in this video. If you enjoyed my blog, then please guys, destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit the subscribe button and the bell. Thank you very much.